What's up guys, and welcome to another video here on my channel. And today's video is gonna be more different because here I am in vacation. I'm in Greece, Crete more exactly, and this is going to be more like a vlog. And I'm not very good at vlogging, but I'm gonna do my best. So yeah, let's start this day. So we just got out from our hotel and this is the view. Hallelujah! Look at this. Ah, so peaceful. Okay guys, so this is the beach next from our hotel, and as you can see the water is super clear. I really like that, and you have to walk a lot to get to the point where you actually don't feel the bottom and you actually swim, and I love this kind of beaches. I hope the next day we can visit other beaches here in Greece, and there are some pretty cool action sports, I mean water sports, sorry, to do here, and I hope I can do that as well. So yeah, and I hope you can hear me right now because it's windy. Otherwise I'm just talking to myself because I'm not gonna put this in the video, so I hope you can hear me. And yeah, now let's go swimming. So I was hoping to find some fish, but I guess I'm not lucky today, and here on this beach I don't think I will find some because there are no many rocks, and I know like fish are likely to stay near rocks. But as I said earlier, we are gonna visit some other beaches here in Greece, and I hope I will find them there. Arrived at our very first stop. This is Ia, and this is one of the most beautiful towns here in Santorini, and one of the biggest one as well. And yeah, I'm excited, so let's go. As you can see, it's super crowded, and considering it's extra season, I don't want to know what's like in the full season. Oh my god, so nice out here. Thank you. Frozen yogurt. Okay, here we are in Crete, which is the capital of this island, Santorini, and unfortunately there in Ia we didn't have much time. Like, we were really limited, and we didn't visit it as much as I wanted to. So here we are at the aquarium here in Crete. I think it's one of the biggest, or maybe the biggest one here in Crete, and it's really beautiful. Look at these guys. Look at this one. This is beautiful. Oh. Hi. Hello. Black as my soul. Look, there's Dory. Hey. Hi, Dory. Okay guys, so here we are at Eos Nicholas. I hope I pronounce it right, I don't know, but look at this beach, like it's beautiful. Look at this water, it's so clear, and the color is beautiful. And that mountains in the back, it feels like you are in a lake or something. It's really nice and it's really relaxing. There are not a lot of people here, and yeah, I got my shoes on. They are pink. I hate pink, but oh well. This is a rocky beach, so you kind of need one of these shoes, because otherwise you are just gonna hurt your legs basically. So this is the last day here, guys, but however we have to do one more last thing before we go. And do you see that? Yeah, we are gonna go parasailing. I'm super excited. I've never done this before, so yeah, let's go.